Well, I was gonna film in glasses, but that's not gonna work. Hey guys, it's your boy Asher coming at you with another episode of A Dog's Bone. And in this episode, we will be talking about the basics of fursuiting. Also, if you didn't notice, I got new paws. Look at my beans. I made them myself, and no, I'm not open for commissions because, well, they might look pretty nice. They're not the best quality because these are the second pair of paws that I've ever made. Without further ado, let's get on with the video, shall we? The first thing you need to know about fursuiting is you need to know your limits, okay? You have to know your physical limits. So to do that, feel your muzzle and your ears. Make sure you know what's going on around you at all times. I cannot tell you how many times whenever I first got my suit that I would turn my head and smack somebody in the face with my giant booper. Know where your suit is at all times so that you don't damage your suit and you don't damage anything else. Next, you need to know your physical limits, like you as a person inside the suit. You need to know how long you can handle being in a stuffy hot fursuit. You need to know how physically active you are. So don't push yourself or else you will pass out and they will cut you out of your suit. This might not be a problem for me because all I have at the moment is a partial, but if you have a full suit that you spent, say, I don't know, $3,000 on, they're gonna cut you out of your suit, and there ain't no way of fixing that. And if there is, it ain't gonna be pretty. So make sure you drink lots of water. Make sure you keep cool. Make sure you eat properly. Make sure you just take care of yourself, please. Please, just take care of yourself and you'll be just fine in your fursuit. One thing you can do while you're in suit is you can get one of these really nifty fursuit fans. Now, this is a necklace, it's a necklace fan. You can buy this anywhere, but specifically, I bought this at TFF from DVC, and it came with batteries and everything. You just turn it on the side, and then, see, you hear it going? Then you just put it in your mouth like this, and it cools you off. Like just, nice fresh air. And you could just hold it in your mouth like this, and then it just cools you off. But this is a really good thing to have because it's helpful and I use it a lot. You just use it to cool yourself off. And you just turn it off once you're done, and you can wear it around your neck as like a little neck accessory that keeps you cool and keeps you from passing out. So if you have a necklace fan, I highly recommend you use it. It's a definite must to have as a fursuiter, but it is optional. What's not optional is you having a water bottle either with you or with your handler. Always, 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 please always have water on hand, or at least know where there's a water fountain nearby, because you're gonna sweat, especially if you're outside. If you're outside and it's hot and you're in a fursuit or a jacket, please have water, stay hydrated, keep yourself safe, all the above. The next thing I want to talk about kind of has to do with limits. Know your social limits, okay? And what I mean about that is know where you can bring a fursuit and know kind of about how people are going to react to your fursuit. Like Asher here, if I take off this flower crown and people just see a grumpy boy with a big toothy smile, some people are going to be pretty scared, especially because I have horns. Somebody might think I'm some creepy dog person who wants to terrorize their children. Like I'm the big bad wolf or something. Which somebody has called me the big bad... bleh. Somebody has called me the big bad wolf before. So always make sure that you know where you're gonna suit and you kind of know how people are gonna react. So if you have a skull dog or a black fursuit or a grumpy suit or just something that might seem scary to somebody who isn't in the fandom, be careful where you suit. If you suit at a park, you might be near children. And while some little edgy kid might think, oh my god, you're like a skeleton, that's so awesome, some other little 5-year-old princess-loving girl is gonna scream at you and run the other way. And then their mom isn't gonna be very happy that you showed up in a mask at a park wearing a scary fursuit, scaring their kids half to death. They're probably not gonna appreciate that. So be careful where you're suiting and who you're suiting around. And if you suit at a building or a private property, always call up ahead or else you might get arrested for trespassing with a mask, okay? That it doesn't look cool whenever some grown man or woman or just even anybody showing up to, say, a mall in a mask, walking into a store, it looks like you're either about to rob them or steal something or terrorize them. So please call up ahead, explain, hey, we are just like to wear these animal costumes for fun. Is it okay if we go ice skating in your area or mall or something like that? Just ask if it's okay, and if they say no, don't go there or else you'll be arrested for trespassing. That's not a good thing to do. It's not good for the fandom. Don't do it. Fursuiting techniques. You need to try to be as unique as you possibly can. Even if your character is quote unquote cliche in nature, every character can be unique. So try to avoid at most the super shy peekaboo look or the kissy face or like the, I don't know, nose boop thing. Even though that is hella adorable, just try to do something different every once in a while. Try to do like a sneeze and wiping yourself or like picking your nose and eating your booger. Just something that's a little out of the box, you know? The third thing I want to talk about fursuit basics and fursuiting techniques is knowing how to care for your fursuit, okay? You need to know how to take care of your suit. For example, you need to have one of these. You see this? It's a brush. What do you use a brush for? Brushing. Brush your suit. Brush. Brush your suit. It's not hard. It's not hard. Just brush your suit. Okay, so I talked about brushing. The next thing you need to know about taking care of your suit is getting one of these. This is fursuit spray that I got from Monster Cat Creations, also known as Bubble Monster. Here's the bottle. I got the cherry blossom one, and it comes with a cute little label on it, and it smells really nice. This one's cherry blossom. And you just spray it, and not only does it make your suit smell nice, it disinfects it. So your suit isn't super gross and grummy and covered in germs. Meow. Come in. Come here. Come here. Meow. This is my cat. Oh, It's okay, kitty. It's okay. There she goes. So if you don't know where to buy this, or you just don't have any money to buy it, or I don't know, for some reason you can't go and get yourself a bottle of fursuit spray, you can make it yourself. You just fill half of it with water, fill half of it with alcohol, a little bit of essential oils, and you're good to go. Applying your Fursuit spray is really easy. All you do is take the lid off, okay, and you spray, delay, walk away. Just please disinfect your suit after every wear so that it can look nice and smell nice and feel nice, okay? Disinfect your suit. I know this one isn't really a Fursuit care thing, but another thing you'll really want to have with you every time you suit is a badge. You'll want to have a badge with you. Always try to have a badge, especially if you're going public suiting, because can't pick it up. Because then you could just clip it to you or your bandana, and people can know your name. If like you're a silent suitor and you just refuse to talk in suit, you can just be like,
"Hey bro, that's a nice suit. What's your character's name? Can you tell me a little bit about it?" Yo, I'm not all about that, bro. Just nope. Bye.
see, it's always a good idea to have a badge so that you can avoid that situation and, you know, avoid from killing somebody for not knowing who you are since you're so famous. I'm kidding. You just be safe. Know who you're suiting around. Take care of yourself. Don't do anything illegal. Don't destroy anything. And be the character that you want to be. Just keep these things in mind next time you go out in fursuiting, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. And if you did, you can hit that like button. You can subscribe to my channel for more quality content. If you have any questions or concerns or requests or anything like that, just leave them down in the description below, and I read every single comment, and I will at this moment be able to reply to every single one of them. So just leave anything you want to leave me down in the description below, and I will see it and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.